Hey crew, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a badge delete on my Ford Crown Victoria. Materials needed: got some duct tape, white setting epoxy, marine epoxy, and some paper towel. Now first things first, I'm going to remove these police panels, metal panels on the back of the trunk, so I can see about accessing the rear of the badge. So it looks like it's 1/4 for these bolts up here, which is random, but I'm just gonna go around and take them out. Oh, they're not even that tight. So I took the panel off, but there's not enough room to get my big hand back there to reach. So I'm gonna see about taking this off if I can reach through there. All right, took this license plate light off, and it is just perfect to reach in there, to fit my hand in there, so I can apply the tape. There's a look at what's in there. It's 2 little pegs, looks like. There we go. There's the 2 holes. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna clean the area pretty good. Crazy to think that this badge has been on here since the car was made in 2009. Now I got most of the adhesive off, and now what I'm doing, I'm just taking a corner of this paper towel, sticking it in there, and kind of clean off the inside there. Same with this one. It's weird, I didn't even know this hole's bigger than this one. So let's see, clean that off. And maybe try to clean from the inside too. Clean the inside there. That side. There we go. Now to get the tape. Alright, now I got this tape here. Right in there. Both sides. Make sure it's smooth. Reach my hand in there and kind of press it down. There we go. That side, make sure that's smooth. Yep. And now we're good to get the epoxy. Once you got the epoxy ready, you're gonna mix it. And once you mix it, at least this one, you have 5 minutes to apply it. Now that I have this first hole filled, I'm gonna wipe away everything before it sets, except for the hole. Gonna wipe away. Be careful not to touch the hole. Good. Now that I filled the holes, actually I'm gonna see about reaching up and pushing a little bit. Let's see. Up a little bit. Now I'm gonna leave my trunk up so it kind of settles down and let this sit for about 10 minutes. It says it sets in 5. Sets in 5 minutes, but I'm gonna let it set for 10 since it's not exactly 50 degrees out. So I'll let it set for 10 up, and then I can close the trunk and let it set overnight. Make sure I clean that off. Now it's curing up here. I'm just gonna finish screwing this back in. Just gonna leave the tape there.